He come back. Oh. Yummy, delicious, amazing, amazing. Wow.
Hi Lola.
Oh, hello.
I have ice cream.
Oh, I also have an ice cream.
Oh. Oh.
So many ice cream. Oh.
Challenge.
Yes.
I refuse.
Challenge.
My yellow, so my yellow. I don't need. Oreo. Oh, you see? Oh, this strawberry sauce. Thank you.
You're very lucky. Oreo.
Oh,
Strawberry sauce. Oh.
thank you. Yummy.
Now it's me. Oh. Pink. I will choose this one. Flamingo. Let's see what we have inside. Whoop.
Ice cream with cherry.
Oh. I need to do the cocktail.
Yes.
DIY. Put this one. After we'll add. And we'll add ice cream.
It's mango ice cream.
I think so. It's mango.
Mango.
Oh. Let's try. One for you and one for me. Yummy, delicious, amazing, amazing. Wow. It's really ice cream cocktail.
My turn.
Oh, butterfly.
Butterfly ice cream. One for you, one for me.
Oh, thank you, my friend. He come back. Oh,
This for you.
this is what?
I think strawberry sauce.
Ah, strawberry. So sweet. Very beautiful butterfly. I like pink.
So cute.
What is that? It nerds. Yes, help me. No, put on my ice cream. Wow. So cold.
Rabbit.
Ah, it's ready.
Strawberry ice cream.
Is it?
Egg. Ice cream for you, egg for me.
No, I think it's together.
Oh, edible eye. I like it. DIY.
A big eye, big eye. What happened with you? Kit Kat. Wow, I never know Kit Kat have an ice cream.
Toilet.
Toilet. Oh, popping candy.
I know what to do. Put inside.
Put inside.
Yeah, the put it. Ice cream is popping candy.
Poo. I love poo.
More drink, more. My turn. Last one.
For me, Minion.
Panda ice cream. So cute, I think.
Wait. Unicorn.
Unicorn for you. Candy for me. Unicorn for you. Unicorn for you, for me, candy.
Okay, the last one is the Minion.
Minion ice cream. Why for me, panda for you, Minion.
It looks like the cocktail.
Can I
No, no,
touch?
no.
Minion! I know what to do. Oh. Oh.
Wow, it's chocolate.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh.
Can I try?
Yes. Can try. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Chocolate. Chocolate.